I'm going to work through a sinusoidal function graphing problem with everything in it, all the shifts. So let's remember that y equals plus or minus, that's for if it's flipped or regular, amplitude, sine or cosine, frequency, x plus or minus, horizontal shift, plus or minus midline. Alright, so we have an amplitude of 2. Remember, that is the distance from the midline. We have a negative, so it's a flip. Our frequency is 2, which means our period is 2 pi divided by 2, or pi. Our horizontal shift is to the right pi, and our midline is up 1, or at positive 1. So I do everything except for the horizontal shift first in one graph and then move it. So let's see. Our midline is 1. So at my midline, I'm going to put a dashed line because it's changed. From there, I'm going to do my amplitude, which means I go 2 units up from there, which is 3, and 2 units down, which is negative 1. My period is pi. That means from the beginning of my graph to the end of one cycle is pi units. So I'm going to put that right here. Being careful because I know I need to shift everything over another pi units. Cut in half. Half a pi is pi over 2. Half a pi over 2 is pi over 4. Remember, you just multiply the denominator times 2. Now that's 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, and now I'm going to graph an upside down cosine function. Cosine functions hit the midline in 2 spots. So here we go. Alright, so now I need to shift every point over pi units. So if I start with this point at the bottom, pi units is 4 of our intervals. So that is my new point here. And now I need to create some more spots on the axis. 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 6 pi over 4, 7 pi over 4, 8 pi over 4, which again is 2 pi. Alright, so we're going to go back to this point up here, and I need to go over 1 pi. Remember, pi consists in this problem of 4 intervals. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do the maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the minimum here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is your new graph.